Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Mark O'Sullivan, Principal Investigator and founder of Neurobell. In neonatal healthcare, every second counts. Seizures happen more in the first days of life than at any other time, and as little as 15 minutes of seizure activity after birth has lasting consequences on the baby's outcome. Neonatal care staff face the challenge of diagnosing such brain injuries in up to 2% of births. It requires EEG monitoring, and the challenge with EEG monitoring is that existing systems are complex systems that are wheeled to the bedside. They take up to 1 hour to set up by a specialist EEG technologist, and then require a neurophysiologist or a neurologist to interpret hours of resulting data to identify abnormal events such as seizures, which may have started hours or days previously. As a result, these specialised staff aren't available in most hospitals, and as a result, there's a delay in both the diagnosis and treatment, and failure to be vigilant for seizures is cited as one of the leading causes for medical negligence in neonatal cases. Our solution is a patent-pending, nurse-led EEG monitor. It is, quite literally, pocket-sized, and it's wireless, and it offers plug-and-play use, and also provides automated and real-time seizure detection. Our algorithm has been trained on hundreds of hours of neonatal EEG data, achieving state-of-the-art performance. Neurobell will save staff time, it will save costs for hospitals and reduce their reliance on external providers, but most importantly, it'll ensure that it'll provide bedside staff with real-time seizure detection so the babies can be treated at the onset of their seizures instead of hours or days later. We're targeting primarily US hospitals with neonatal care units, of which there's over 1,000 and over 28,000 neonatal ICU beds. Our product consists of a capital hardware equipment, which will be sold for $12,000 per unit, as well as a software component, which will be sold to hospitals at $4,000 per unit per year. The global brain monitoring market is valued at $5 billion, and we've estimated the neonatal EEG monitoring market in the US to be valued at over $500 million. We're primarily targeting an initial launch market of level 3 neonatal ICUs in the US, which we've estimated to be 100 million. And this is only the start for us. We can then target secondary applications as we scale. We started developing the technology back in 2016 and started looking at the clinical need and evaluating the commercial potential. We secured 600,000 in a commercialisation fund from Enterprise Ireland last year. And the key deliverables with that funding is to reach a design freeze by the end of this year, to complete a clinical feasibility test in the hospital here in Cork, and to complete our pre-submission meeting with the FDA. We're looking to raise a 1.5 million seed round near the end of next year. The primary deliverables of that will be a finalised product as well as our full 510k filing for the FDA. Our team consists of myself in the commercial lead position, Dr. Alison O'Shea, who leads our AI development, and Colin Murphy, who leads our engineering team. We're supported by a great team of advisors, both commercial and clinically, and been supported by the Infant Centre, UCC, and Enterprise Ireland to date. Thanks.